over 4 years now, creating a manufacturing facility for the Seaglider has certainly been a dream of mine, of my co-founder, Mike Klinker, of that region team, and now it's becoming a reality.
The project we're breaking ground for today is a 255,000 square foot facility that will allow Region to manufacture their 12-passenger, all-electric Viceroy Seaglider here in the state of Rhode Island.
We're kicking off the brand new facility that will bring good paying jobs to Rhode Island, and it'll strengthen our blue economy. We are leading the way.
This is a transportation transformation for coastal communities. It's a whole new way of getting around clean, fast, safe, and away from other traffic.
Companies like Regent and investments like this new facility are helping us build the foundation of Rhode Island's blue economy, and will send a message to the other industries that our state is the place to set up shop and to grow.
Because what is happening here is going to transform the way we get around, not just here in Rhode Island, not just in America, but around the world.
It's a great day, and as Billy and I were talking about earlier, we're well adorned with a flag outside, and it reminds us that this is a great day for America, a great day for American manufacturing and innovation.
Regent is reinvigorating American-made manufacturing right here in Rhode Island. Now, let's go break some ground. Thank you, everyone.